I don't know anybody who honestly wants to repeat something wrong. Wala ako nakikita yan. I believe that people are inherently good and they want to do good and do well. Especially if you want to become a public official because your accountability is much higher. Now, okay, that being said, martial law, it's already in the Constitution. Wala na martial law without the permission of Congress, no? So, paano natin mauulit yun? Kung baga, yes, we already know that. We've been reminded about it for 30 years. Pero sa totoo lang, okay, we all know that. Let's all learn from it. Pero, that being said, you keep it in the back of your mind always, so you do not repeat it. Pero move on naman din tayo kasi we cannot just talk about martial law 30 years ago when people are hungry, starving, malnourished today. Hindi mo yan mabibenta yan sa mga maralita. Hindi yan mabibenta yan sa mga Yolanda victims. Diba? That's already there. We all know that. Diba? Jewelry. Ano bang pakialam ng mga nagugutom sa jewelry na yan? The jewelry is already where? Sa Central Bank, sa PCGG, there is litigation 30 years. Let the courts decide. Diba? We cannot just, in fact, you're not supposed to even be talking about it when it's under, sub judice, diba? But nonetheless, it's all theirs. And they talk about it every year. So at the end of the day, let us remember all of the mistakes, the shortcomings, the mistakes of the past so we do not repeat it. That being said, take all the criticism. I love criticism. You know why? It makes me a better person.